Moto X70 Air features rounded edges and smooth transitions to all four corners, making it look thinner and more comfortable to hold. Sliding your finger from the back panel to the mid-frame creates a smooth, effortless feel. Scrolling through short video apps and typing messages with one hand is effortless. At 5.9 millimeters, the body is about the thickness of a passport, a truly impressive figure. The phone weighs 159 grams, which is honestly lighter than many phone cases. Having been accustomed to flagship and high-performance phones, holding this weight feels like an unprecedented relaxation. It's so thin yet nimble and light. Interestingly, I actually see a complete camera module on such an ultra-thin phone. However, I'm more concerned about whether it'll be top-heavy. Hold it next to a coin and you'll see just how ridiculously thin it is. The first thing you notice when you first pick it up is its thinness. The thinner the phone, the more tech-heavy it seems. It's unlike any other Moto phone. Not only in its visual impact, it feels like holding two eggs. The Moto X70 Air comes in three colorways: gray, lily pad, and bronze green. Our gray colorway looks incredibly textured under the light, and the bright blue coating around the camera is a truly premium touch. The Pantone bronze green color's olive tone is described as stylish and elegant, with green coating around the camera is awesome. It features a nylon textured back finish for a comfortable grip and premium feel. The lily pad color, a brighter, more unique option with a soft green finish. The Pantone collaboration adds to its design credibility and fashion-forward appeal with orange coating around the camera. Looks so premium. Each color comes with power button, adding a subtle touch of flair. The ultra-narrow unibody metal frame with 27-degree rounded corners, making it incredibly comfortable to hold, and combined with the 0.55mm thick PU back panel, the X70 Air center of gravity is surprisingly well controlled. There are also speakers on both the top and bottom, dual speakers with Dolby Atmos. The screen also doesn't disappoint. Its 6.7-inch OLED display with 1.5K 1220 by 2712 pixels resolution make it a great choice for viewing snow-capped mountains and stunning landscapes, or enjoying the bright, eye-friendly display. The 1.3mm ultra-narrow black borders offer a 94.6% screen-to-body ratio, 120Hz refresh rate, 10-bit color depth, HDR10, and high contrast ratio all contribute to a high brightness of 1400 nits, a peak brightness of 4500 nits, and support for DC-like dimming, SGS low blue light, dual speakers, and Dolby Atmos. Whether it's photos or portraits, even hair details are crystal clear. Scrolling through short videos or text messages with no artifacts, and the screen feels comfortable to watch. Powered by the 4th generation Qualcomm Snapdragon 7th Gen 4 processor, the phone boasts an Antutu score of 113,000. The ultra-thin triple DVC vapor chamber provides enhanced thermal efficiency, and the virtual memory expansion allows for 12GB plus 12GB memory expansion, delivering a smooth gaming experience. Run multiple apps without lag, and no background apps are killed. Despite its thinness, the X70 Air supports dual SIM, dual standby, 18 5G bands, and 22 4G bands. There's also a dedicated AI shortcut key on the side bezel, which can be customized for other functions. As an AI phone, the Personal Super Intelligence 3.5 is a must mention. It integrates AI phone and AI PC functionality into a single interface, offering AI problem solving, AI world viewing, AI control, and an AI translation knowledge base. This allows for multi-device integration across AI PC, AI tablet, and AI phone, actively memorizing personal information and habits, making the Moto X70 a smarter, more refined, and more secure device that understands you better. Waterproof. Submerge it in tap water for 30 minutes and then remove it to see if it's still usable. Timer starts. Now that half an hour is up, let's take it out and inspect it. It lights up fine. I can unlock it with my fingerprint even with wet hands. Great. There are no issues with the screen touchscreen either. Now let's take a look at the camera. It's also working fine. Now let's take a look at the speaker. It's great, no issues at all. It really helps save time and improve efficiency. There's a dedicated AI guidance button on the left side of the phone. This is incredibly useful. Simply tap or double tap it to access the AI. I've set it up so that a single tap activates the AI video and a double tap activates the Personal Super Intelligence. You can long press to customize the button to suit your usage. The Super Intelligence offers AI translation, AI vision, AI writing, AI problem solving, and AI control. Each function allows you to see unfamiliar plans, glance. Turn on this function and point the phone's camera at a plant to display its name, family, and characteristics. If you're watching a video and see a beautiful place, but the blogger hasn't indicated its location, you can use AI to see the world and find out where it is. I've always worried about battery life when buying a slim phone, worrying the thin body won't fit a large battery and it'll die in less than half a day. It's equipped with a 4,800 mAh high capacity battery. This allows it to maintain a super slim design. That's truly impressive. With 68 watt turbo power fast charging, it charges from 1% to 50% in less than 10 minutes and fully charges in just half an hour. After using it for a while, I've completely eliminated any concerns about battery life. It features a 50 megapixel triple camera setup, and the main camera's resolution is perfectly acceptable. It features a 50 megapixel AI imaging module, a 50 megapixel front-facing camera with super sensitive light, a 50 megapixel dual-core main camera with an f1.88 aperture, OIS, DVA full pixel dual-core autofocus, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide-angle macro camera, and a HOLC 3-in-1 sensor with overexposure and flicker reduction along with intelligent white balance. Every shot is a guaranteed hit. Let's take a look at some sample photos. I took some sample photos for reference. Regarding portraits, the AI portrait function also performs well, intelligently identifying people and backgrounds with a natural blur effect. It also supports the time mode as Zhonglinghe. When shooting people walking or running, the people remain clear while the background is blurred, giving a very cinematic feel. Video recording supports up to 4K 60 frames, which is more than enough for shooting vlogs, recording life, or taking short videos of scenery. And this dual recording really surprised me, as it can freely adjust the stereo sound. Wow, just amazing. With live photos, dual mirror video recording, and time-lapse have significantly enhanced the imaging capabilities. Firstly, portraits look better. A newly tuned AI portrait mode jointly developed with Lenovo Moto can more intelligently and accurately identify the relationship between the subject and the background, achieving a blurred background while making skin tones appear brighter and facial features more defined. These are all straight out of the portrait mode. They look good on both men and women and automatically switch to wide-angle mode for selfies and group photos. The AI group photo function reduces the chance of unusable shots, eliminating the worry of taking photos with closed eyes. Secondly, there are new photography styles. In addition to the original color style AI Color Master, a new nearby time tone mode has been added. That's right, it's a shooting tone intelligently generated by the AI model based on the daily shooting style of Lenovo Moto's brand ambassador. In other words, using this mode, you can capture photos with the same color style as the ambassador. In actual testing, compared to Zhonglinghe's mode, the original color style produces a deeper and richer image, which seems particularly suitable for autumn portrait photography. By the way, did you notice any highlights in these sample photos? All of them feature Zhonglinghe's exclusive photo watermarks. Not only that, but they also include custom wallpapers featuring Zhonglinghe. And matching our customized style, it's different from the generic filters that come with the system, resulting in a unique flavor. Furthermore, the ultra-wide-angle lens is crucial for everyday shooting. The Moto X70 Air doesn't sacrifice the ultra-wide-angle lens just because it's an Air model. We can use it to create visually impactful photos. However, the ultra-wide-angle lens is indeed difficult to control. A slightly cluttered background can easily flatten the image. But in this case, we can try portrait mode. Its AI portrait mode uses algorithms to recognize the current spatial relationships and add a certain blur effect to the photo. In actual testing, its blur algorithm is quite close to that of a camera. AI portrait mode makes the subject stand out more, and in small images, it really does have a quality close to that of a camera shot. By the way, this lens also has a macro function, and with its 50 million pixels, it can capture many small details in life with a high quality feel. The Moto X70 Air for China market and Motorola Edge 70 for global market, only named it. In King My Point view, it appears to be an impressive entry in the mid-range market, particularly for users who value a premium, slim design without sacrificing battery life. Its solid performance, versatile camera system, and durable build quality make it a compelling alternative to more expensive, ultra-thin flagship phones. However, as a mid-range device, it's not meant to compete directly on raw power and camera performance with the highest end flagships.